What's going on, everybody? This is PokeKiss Anime SSPR Fan 122 here, and guess what came in today? I got myself 2 packages in the mail, which is amazing because this one is going to be a changer and a little another thing special that I got. But, however, I am not alone for this unboxing. I'm here with 2 of my best pals that we do collaborations and fan morphs, of course. And here they are. I am here with the legendary Jason Pleasant, aka my Jazzy Mac.
What's going on, my MJM Nation? It is your boy, my Jazzy Mac.
Aka Sonic, aka aka SPO, aka Shadow. And Sonic, of course, for our Sonic Heroes collab, which, of course, guys, you gotta check it out.
Yeah, we just finished the last cutscene of Team Dark.
Yep.
So guys, the reason why we're making these videos here is because I'm planning to put them all together for the 26th anniversary of Power Rangers. So be on the lookout. The full compilation video is going to be set to release on August 28th.
Which is gonna be great. And also, we are here with Cameron Smith.
Yo, what is up, my dudes and dudettes? It's your boy, Cameron J. Smith, a.k.a. the Blue Dino Thunder Ranger!
Yeah!
Alright, he is also our Zero Elephant in our fan morph, right, Cameron?
What do you say?
Yeah! Alright, guys, so, I have a package here that Cameron here inspired me, and Jason inspired me too, because you guys inspired me to get this new changer. Of course, Cameron has an awesome video that inspired me to get this changer, so I'll be opening the first one. And let's unbox the first one, shall we? Alright, guys, so we're going to be unboxing this right now. Now, hold on, let me get my handy dandy knife. Alright, so this changer is one of the things that Cameron and Jason inspired me. But this one is also by Cameron, of course, because a video of Cameron inspired me to get this because that video was amazing, and he inspired me to get this awesome changer. Alright, let's see what it is. But the sucky part is, this thing has got wet. Don't know why. Oh my god. Yes! I've been waiting for this for a long time. Yes! God, yes! Hold on, let me focus it. Alright. Cameron, Jason, you ready for this? I got myself the Dino Thunder Morpher from Power Rangers Dino Thunder or Bakudu Sentai Aba Ninja. Hold on, gotta open this up. Alright. Guys, look at what I got!
No way! What? What? Wow, let me see it.
It's just like mine!
Yeah. And also, I got some of the extra plates. Alright, let's see what we got. What kind of plates we got. Alright. Exactly, guys. So anyway, guys, the Dino Thunder Morpher. Also, the Japanese version is way better than the American version. Because reasons, this would lock into place. How cool is that? Oh yeah, that needs some batteries. Yeah. I'm gonna go put this on right now.
Should we do like a more blind camera right this moment? Yes! Alright, let me just set my phone on my, prop up my beanie so that way it won't fall over. Because I hate when my phone falls over. It's a real pain in the butt!
The hardest thing is this brace is too. The little strap is kind of too small for my big hands, which really sucks. Oh. All right, sorry about that, guys. I'm just putting this on. Alright, you know what? Alright, so we got... Don't know what this name is. Post a comment. Alright, guys. Hold on. First one I got is this plate right here. Look at this one.
Nice.
This is one of the from the accessory Zords.
Oh yeah. The
Dimetro Zord. Hold on, let me just put the camera right here.
Kylo, Cephalosaur. And I think I know who could be the perfect White Ranger for this.
Who would that be?
Chewie.
Yeah, that'd be a great idea. She has... Yeah, of course. She has the Dino Thunder Morpher as well. Yeah, and also got this one as well. Parazord. Yeah, I got more of the... I got the accessory Zords, dude. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I got... These are more accessory Zords. I'm going to be opening them right now. Yeah, we gotta do collab morph cam. Jason, we gotta collab on this, man. Yeah. Oh. Alright. Next plates right here. Kind of forgot the names of these, but Cameron, would you like to tell me these names of these Zords now as well? These Zord plates.
Oh yeah, the Cephalosaur.
Hold on. Sorry about that, guys. You know these ones, right?
Yeah.
Alright. And,
Yeah, what you said, Cameron? Cephalosaur.
Yeah, the Cephalosaur. And Kylozord.
Kylozord. And this one is, Halosaurus. Halozord. I think. Yeah. This is Powerzord, I think. I really don't know the names of the other ones. But as you can see, Cameron has also the Dino Thunder Morpher as well. How cool is that? Not to mention, Jason also has the Black Ranger Morpher. How awesome is that?
Well, my Morpher doesn't have any sound effects anymore, but it does.
Yeah. Yep. Alright.
That sound on my Morpher, I got mine used off eBay for a good price, but sound effects don't work anymore.
Yeah, the sucky part is sometimes the changers don't have the sound. But it's so cool I own this now. It looks beautiful. And also, if you're gonna have the red, you gotta have the others. Okay, we got Tricerazord. And of course, Terra. Look at that, guys.
That was Power Rangers Dino Thunder, aka wait, was it Operator?
Yep.
That what you said? That was the second time Super Sentai used the motif of dinosaurs.
Yeah, right after Super Ranger, they used Baku Sentai Abaraja, and years later they used Kyoryuja.
Yeah. So guys, this is really awesome. I own the Dino Brace or the Dino Thunder Morpher from Power Rangers Dino Thunder or Abba Ranger. But also, guys, if you're gonna be getting this, don't get the American version. The American version is just this doesn't like lock in place. The Japanese version, however, way better.
Yeah, because I believe the American footage with the actors, they actually used the Japanese toy.
Exactly.
Probably have.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, get the Japanese version, way better. And also, I know you can like take these off. And also, hold on. Now we got Tricera. Pretty cool. Let's put back Tyranno. Alright, so alright, the hardest part is the strap, of course, is way too small for my big hands.
Yeah, you gotta like, put your Morpher like this.
Yeah. Alright, hold on. Alright. Ready?
Ready.
Down of Thunder! Power up! Ha! This is so cool. Alright.
Star Power. Blue Ranger.
Vacuum power. Black Ranger.
Tyranno Power! Alright, so yeah guys, that's the Dino Thunder Morpher. Now, package number 2. Alright. Now this one is pretty awesome. Also, one more thing guys. This also was used in Cameron Smith's My Little Pony, or I say, Power Ponies fan morph. Isn't that right, Cameron? Would you like to talk about it to the people about... Right, Cameron, Didn't the Cutie Mark Crusaders use this in their fan morph?
Sure did. I actually made copies of the same morpher, but used like 3 plays for each one.
Yeah. Alright.
I guess I'm like the mentor of the 3.
Exactly. Also, guys, you gotta check out Cam's videos, guys. His videos are amazing.
Power cord.
Yeah, my other name's Power. Heads up.
Yeah. The Power Ponies are amazing.
Because he just wants me to call him Cam just because he's a regular guy now.
Yeah. Alright, let's open package number 2.
Alright, let's see number 2.
Alright. Now this one is kind of different because mostly I get my packages from Japan, of course. Mostly from Japan, of course. But this one came from Singapore. How cool is that? It's so hard to open. Alright. Got that open.
Packages always take a long time to open.
Alright. But the one thing I hate, look at this. Another opening. Alright. Ooh, I think I know what this amazing thing is. Alright! Yes! The Wild Force Ranger Key Set. Guys, hold on. Look what I got, guys. Whoa, tripod fell off. Look what I got. A Wild Force Ranger Key Set.
No way. Wild Force.
Yeah.
Or Hatsukuju Sentai Gamenger!
Yep. And as you can see, guys, Cameron does have the Wild Force Growlithe, but it's a green version, however.
Yeah, it's a bootleg.
Yeah.
No, bootleg's bad.
But it's still awesome, though. I am planning on getting the Growlithe too while I'm at it. But this is so cool. The Wild Force Ranger Keys. How cool is that? Alright. Let's go open this up. Woo. Alright. Let's open this guy up. I am planning to get more Ranger Keys though. But this is just awesome because, you know, I am a huge Gal Ranger fan. And I did finish watching that series. Series was amazing.
The reason why I haven't been uploading much lately is because, well, I'm still trying to move to the new house in my new studio.
Oh, nice. A new studio. Hold on. Let me focus on the camera. And Jason. Alright.
Sorry I was late.
Alright. So here it is, guys. The Wild Force, or I say Gal Ranger Ranger Keys.
Problems too.
I really don't want to damage this beautiful box, of course. Because, of course, guys, I don't want this to get damaged. Because I'm keeping the box. Because look at this packaging. The backing looks amazing. Alright. And, of course, I'm still practicing the Gal Ranger morph. Well, I say doing the Gokaiger change. And plus the flipping is difficult because you gotta do it and it's good talent. Ugh. Alright, get the tape out. Let me see. Yep. And also, guys. Yep. Also, guys, Cameron and Jason were. Cameron did the fan morph with Taiwan Skyberg and Tuimi. Yeah. Yeah. So one day I will definitely get the Growl phone, of course. Yeah. All right.
One thing about the Growl phone. Morph is just the one thing you really care about. The legs and the arms.
And also, guys, I also have the Gal Silver Ranger key. Look at that, guys. Gal Silver.
Oh my god, you should definitely be Gal Silver.
The lunar wall.
Yeah. All right. And here they are, the beautiful Wild Force keys. I'm gonna take Gal Yellow off because Gal Yellow is my favorite. Alright. Alright, guys. Here we got Gal Yellow, my favorite. Of course, I am a huge fan of Wild Force Yellow Ranger, of course. Taylor is one of my favorites from Wild Force. Also, shout out goes out to the cast of Wild Force and to Allison Sylvine, the Yellow Wild Force Ranger. This goes out to you. You're my favorite.
AKA Cole Evans. Shout out to you, buddy.
Yeah. Also, shout out to the other cast as well. Alright.
Jack Gunsman.
Yep.
He's my top. He's my god.
Philip Germain was actually my favorite one.
Alright. Alright, guys, so we're gonna be doing a morph. Hold on, let me move this camera up. Ugh. There we go. Yeah. Alright. Hold on. Let me get the key up. Legendary Ranger mode. Wild Force. Wild Access. Ha!
We're still going into the Earth. Full access.
Never ever give up. Full access.
And we continue to fight. Legendary Ranger mode. Wild Force. Wild Access. Ha! Yeah. Soaring Eagle. Even if our Wild Sword's gone, we will still fight without them. Because we are Power Rangers. And we never give up a fight.
We'll do whatever it takes to defend the world from evil like you. I am Jason Pleasant. Thunder and Falcon.
We'll show you who's the boss. I'm Cameron J. Smith. Lurking Crocodile.
I am James Silva. Dazzling Jaguar.
Guardians of the Earth.
Unite We Roar. Power Rangers. Wild Force. Alright, guys. That was just amazing. So yeah, guys. I finally have... Hold on. I'm going to put this in order. Hold on. Let me get the bubble wrap out of here. Sorry. Hold on, guys. Let me put the plates in. Alright. Hold on. Sorry about that, guys. Alright.
Come on, change her.
Yeah, man. So yeah, guys. What would you like to say to the people on the camera? What would you like to say, guys? Hold on, sorry about that. Before we go.
My word of advice, don't listen to those stupid haters. They don't know jack stuff. And as always, ignore the bad, stay rad!
Exactly. And Jason, what would you like to say?
As always, in the words of Sordon, may the power protect you.
Yep. And also, guys, go check out me and Jason's Sonic Heroes Team Dark Scenes. They are phenomenal.
More phenomenal, to be exact.
Yeah. And go check out Cameron's videos, including the awesome Power Pony videos. They are more phenomenal.
You know it.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, I got my Gal Ranger keys and the Abo Ranger Dino Brace. How awesome is that? Alright, guys, I'm going to be ending the video right now. Leave a comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye, and always, it's morphin' time!